Well, for the past decades, an organization in the Twin Cities has been focused on helping young people in the community with everything from health care to basic needs. Today, we're celebrating one of their programs and looking ahead to more growth. Please help me welcome to the show Hannah Getachie-Cruiser, the Executive Director of Face-to-Face Health and Counseling in St. Paul. And we also have author Bruce Jackson, who will be sharing his story tonight. Welcome to you both. The first time that I've had you both on this lovely couch. How you doing?
Doing great.
Good, thank you.
Yes, one thing is I love meeting new friends, but Hannah, it's always good to meet new friends with a purpose. So tell me a little bit about Face-to-Face for those who might not be familiar.
Sure, thank you for having us on the show. Face-to-Face has been around for 52 years, providing really safety net services for youth experiencing all kinds of instabilities, including homelessness. And medical clinic, mental health clinic, some outreach work that we do, workforce development, youth justice, really try to wrap around services so that young people don't experience barriers going 10 different places.
And we're seeing some video of some of the things that you all do right now. It is amazing to me that you all have been doing this work for 50 plus years.
Yes.
That is amazing. So many people just trying to sustain that is hard enough, and changing and bringing more people in. So then we got Bruce here. Tell me a little bit about how this came about and why this was such a good partnership.
Sure, yes. And one of our programs, which is Safe Zone, as young people named it, has been around for 30 years. And I think what happened was the state and the county came to us and said, we need something for youth experiencing homelessness on the east side. And so through that work and wanting to celebrate, we've been in connection with Bruce about just following his speaking up about his life and his journey and really wanting to empower young people. And so we reached out and said, hey, we really love your message. How could you partner with us? And he was very willing. So
Bruce, talk to me a little bit. I know that they're going to get a lot from you
Right,
later on, but give me a little, taste, because you do have such an amazing story.
Well, I wrote a book. It's called Never Far From Home, because I'm really never far from home. I grew up in the projects in New York City, and I'm constantly there just to inspire people. So the book was really meant to inspire people, give proximity to those who are privileged so they can ultimately help deal with the problems that we're having. And the book is entitled, really, the subtitle is My Journey from Brooklyn to Hip Hop to Microsoft and the Law. So it's really about inspiration and giving proximity to those who are privileged.
I mean, I'm just waiting for the movie, because even in the subtitle, that's a lot of ground to cover. Quickly, before I let you go, what's one thing that you would like to leave people with to keep them encouraged in this journey towards equity and inclusion and understanding?
I think we have to do more, right? I think Face-to-Face, I'm here from New York because the stuff that they're doing and the service they're providing to young people is extremely important. We have to give them the resources they need so they can reach their potential. It's all about that, right? When we look at privileged communities, they have the resources and they have the environment. So that's the only thing that separates them from kids that are being served by Face-to-Face. So I think other companies should jump on board and try to provide all the services we can to uplift a group of people who are lacking the resources, and that's about it.
I always like to get a little bit smarter. I think we've achieved that today, and you can continue to get smarter with Face-to-Face holding a fundraiser celebration tonight from 5:30 to 7 o'clock at Securian Financial in St. Paul. And of course, we have more at KARE11.com. Thank you both.
Thank you.
thank you. Thank you.